Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make your Wix website appear on Google. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open your Wix website, okay, and then make sure to log into your account. After that, you just have to choose the website that you want to customize. So for example, this one. So all we need to do is to select the site and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here on the setup page, we have to click on this get found on Google. Okay, and then you have to take note as well to do the 7 steps. But for this one, I'm just going to proceed with the get found on Google. So just simply click on the get started option. And then right here, just have to click on the get started. And then what is the name of this business or brand? So for example, I'm just going to type out where and then click on next. And then where does this business serve its customers? So you're just going to select the second one. The business serves customers nationwide and worldwide. So click on next after that. And then right here, just have to add keywords and phrases like 2 to 5 words long that help match your site with what customers enter into search engines. So they should describe your business and what it has to offer, like online vintage comic book store. So something like that. Or somewhere comfortable wear. Okay, comfortable wear. And after that, just click on enter and then click on next. And then right here, you have to finish this option. So we have set the home pages title for search results, add the home pages description for search results, add text to the home page, connect the site to a custom domain premium feature, and then connect the site to Google Search Console. So just simply click on go for it and then click on connect now. Okay, so of course, the first thing that you should do is to complete your checklist. So before you can connect your site to Google, check mark each item in step one. All right, so you have to take note of that. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.